How to fix YouTube dark theme not working. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Once inside the YouTube account, tap on your name at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings. If your dark mode is not working, then simply try doing it again. Maybe due to some software glitches or something, it might not happen for the first time. So let's give it a shot again. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now there tap on the general. Inside general, you'll get to see appearance or theme option available there. Simply tap on it. And you can see dark mode option available. But if it still does not work, then simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and once swipe down you can see dark mode option available there. Then change your device to your dark mode theme. This fixes everything. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.